Hi, my name is Troy. I'm a commercial industrial HVAC technician in Wilmington, North Carolina. I went to a community college. It was a 7-month certificate program. Just starting out, you could expect to make between $10 to $15 an hour. Some areas, depending on the region you're in, might be a little more, a little less. Working in the environments, it could be sometimes pretty extreme. You're out in the heat, or you could be out in the freezing cold. Sometimes we're in the rain. So the environments and the weather can be tough on you sometimes. Job security, even with everything going on right now in the world, we've stayed very busy. Actually, more so now, everybody's worried about the indoor air quality. So we're doing a lot of air cleaners to keep everyone's homes and buildings as clean as possible. Most of the time I'm stuck behind the wheel driving from job to job. There's a lot of diagnostics involved in it, so that eats up a lot of time on a service call, and then there's a lot of paperwork. You have to be a go-getter. You have to be self-motivated, because lots of times you're out on your own. You have to be a good people person, customer skills, and just a good willing to get out there and learn, because day to day a lot of the stuff we're working on is changing. So you have to sometimes, I'll find myself at home at night trying to dig into things and learn more about the job. You'll be a helper, and then you could end up being a service technician or an installer, and then you could be a lead installer or a lead service tech, and then eventually service manager, general manager, and then in 10 to 20 years, once you learn the trade and the business, you can, if you decide, you could start your own business. Toughest thing, maybe just the environment, being outside whenever it's extremely hot. Sometimes that could be difficult. The stuff that we're working on is changing every day. So like I said earlier, you have to constantly be learning about everything that we're working on. A huge community of people on Instagram. You could just type in HVAC and you could find a ton of people on there that are sharing what they're doing from day to day. There's a lot of podcasts on the iPod. There is YouTube. A lot of guys are doing YouTube videos, sharing what they're doing day to day. There's a lot of books that I've read on Amazon. So you can just type HVAC and find tons of stuff between Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah.